Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to restrict from using any kind of internet connection in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say right now my Windows computer is being connected with my home Wi-Fi internet connection. As you can see here, it's being connected. So in order to restrict from using any kind of internet connection on your respective Windows computer, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application named as Net Disabler. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you can see your download option. Just click on download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here two kinds of Net Disabler application. So the first one is for 32-bit and the second one you can see here, Net Disabler into 64, is for the 64-bit. So right now I'm using a Windows 64-bit operating system, so I'm gonna use this 64-bit version. Just double click it to run this software. So you can see the user interface of this software, right? So it's a very straightforward software. So you can see the options, what it gonna do and what it gonna block. So you can see here enable internet and disable internet, right? So you can just click on this disable internet and now you can see here internet disabled, and you can see here at the bottom also my internet connection is gone. So you can see no internet access. If I click on it also, there is no any Wi-Fi options also. So I'm unable to use any kind of internet connections right now unless and until I click on this enable again. So once you see a green indication, so you can see internet enable, and at the bottom also you can see your internet access is available, and if you click on it the Wi-Fi is available again. And one good thing about this application is that if you want to password protect it, you can do it also inside this application. Just click on this menu and you can see here password properties. Just click on it. Now you can add any password depending upon your needs. So I'll just add a simple password just to give you an example, say, and give a password in and click on apply. Click on OK. Now if you exit it and if you try to reopen it, now it will ask you a password. So in order to use this application you need to put the password which you have set. And now you can see here. So by using this application named as Net Disabler, you can easily restrict from using any kind of internet connection in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.